The Trinamool delegation comprising of Saugata Roy, Yashwant Sinha, Mahua Moitra and others met the Chief Election Commissioner in the national capital, raising the issue about deployment of central forces near 100-meter radius of polling booths and in rural areas. They say that this deployment could cause fear among people. The delegation also urged the Commission to increase the VVPAT vote verification to more than 5% and also further look into the matter on the alleged attack on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram.
We brought up three basic points. The first was about the presence of central forces within 100 meters of the booth. A, there's a language barrier. B, the presence of central forces in military fatigues, stomping around the villages gives people, rather than inspiring confidence, it actually inspires fear in many rural voters. And so they assured us that they will follow-up meeting with the Ministry of Home Affairs immediately to address the issue. That was the first. The second point was on the VVPATs, and we had wanted 100%. They said that the randomized checking on VVPATs at 5% level for now is the best they can do, and they feel confident because doing it at 100% will mean that at a minimum they will delay results by 48 to 72 hours, and in larger states even longer than that. They assured us that the EVMs are not hackable, that the chip is not reprogrammable. They seem to believe in the technology, and so that was something worth reassuring. And on the third point about the attack on our Chief Minister on the 10th of March, they said that we brought forward our views, which was that the Election Commission seems to have made up its mind that it was an accident, and they assured us that this is something that they have never said. It was categorically denied by the Election Commission, and they said that the investigation is pending. Once the investigation is done, they will come out. As of now, there is no clear decision on their part.
मेरे साथ स्वागत रहे हैं। आपकी एक लंबी महत्वपूर्ण बैठक हुई है चुनाव आयोग के अधिकारियों के साथ। ममता बनर्जी पर जो हमला हुआ उसके बारे में क्या चर्चा हुई, क्या कहा?
नहीं, चर्चा हमने पूछा चुनाव आयोग को, क्या इस पर वो कोई फाइनल कंक्लूजन में आए? बोला नहीं, FIR इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का रिपोर्ट मिलने के बाद ही हम फाइनल कंक्लूजन में आएंगे। ये जो चिट्ठी उठी, उन्होंने हमको पूरा चिट्ठी जितना दिया, ममता बनर्जी जो दिया उसका पूरा कॉपी दिया। बोला कि हम फाइनल रिपोर्ट मिलने के बाद ही हम कंक्लूजन में आएंगे।
सेंट्रल पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के डिप्लॉयमेंट पर भी आपने चिंता जताई है, पर एक आखिरी सवाल, क्या कंसर्न है? कंसर्न क्या है? कंसर्न क्या है?
कंसर्न है लोग डर जाते हैं और वो बांग्ला नहीं समझते हैं, इसलिए उसको लेके प्रॉब्लम होता है।
तो चुनाव आयोग ने क्या स्पष्टीकरण दिया?
वो बोला कि सेंसिटाइज करने का कोशिश करेंगे, बंगाली ऑफिसर रखेंगे, ये सब।
और एक आखिरी सवाल वीवीपैट और ईवीएम को लेकर सर, एक एश्योरेंस क्या मिला?
बोला वीवीपैट और ईवीएम टैली करेगा तो 3 दिन लग जाएगा काउंटिंग में, तो इसलिए वो जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट बोला 5% रैंडमाइज्ड चेकिंग वही करेंगे।
वो करेंगे।
हाँ, लेकिन वीवीपैट का पूरा किताब हमको दिया, बोला EVM is not hackable.
Arvind Gunasekar reporting on these developments joins us. Arvind, you've been covering the details of that meeting. What are some of the key demands that the TMC has placed before the Election Commission?
Yeah, Rishika, the TMC delegation comprising of leaders, senior leaders like Saugata Roy and also Yashwant Sinha, who has recently joined the party, Mahua Moitra and others, met the Chief Election Commissioner here in the National Capital today with three main demands. In fact, this is the second meeting of the TMC delegation meeting with the Chief Election Commission and other senior officials of the Election Commission. So the three main demands include one about the central forces being deployed in the state. In fact, the delegation has raised concern about the central forces being deployed within the 100-meter radius of the polling booth. In fact, earlier what they are saying is that usually it will be the state police, but this time the state police will not be allowed inside the 100-meter radius of the polling booth, whereas it will be manned only by the central deployment, central forces. So that's what the delegation has raised it as a concern, saying that this might cause fear among the voters and this might deter the voters from coming forward to vote. And they also raised the point about the central forces being deployed in the rural places, where according to the delegation that the central forces might not be well averse with the local language, and that might also create some kind of disturbance with the polling. So these two are a main demand. Coming up with the second demand is increasing the VVPAT verification from present 5% to the 100%. But for that particular point, what we are being told by our sources in the Election Commission is that the Commission has outrightly rejected this particular demand of increasing the VVPAT verification to 100%, saying that if that is the case, then the counting process will take 4 to 5 days, and the Commission will not agree to that particular contention. The third point the delegation raised was regarding the attack on the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, saying that relying on the media report, saying that the Commission has ruled it to be an accident and not as an attack, for which the Commission has told them that the criminal investigation and FIR has been registered and the criminal investigation is currently underway. So only at the conclusion of the criminal investigation the outcome can be confirmed. So these three were the main important points that were raised by the TMC delegation with the Election Commission. What we are being told by our sources is that early next week the Chief Election Commissioner along with the senior Election Commission officials will be visiting poll-bound West Bengal to assess the poll preparedness, and then these concerns of both the parties, not just the TMC and also even the BJP has also come up with similar concerns. Both the concerns will be addressed in their visit to West Bengal early next week.